व्यक्ति अच्छा चला आज रीड करिया इंग्लिश बुक। देखिए इधर कौन का लिखाई जी। The class play. The children are excited to. They are going to talk about their class play. Well, children, what do you think we should put up for our class play this year? Should we do a fairy tale or an animal story? How about Superman? Why not Batman? How will anyone fly in the hall or climb over walls? जदि आपण मानकु मोर बुक रीड पसंद आसला तो लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब करिया भूलिबेनी।